Hello, my name is David, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a degassing system for use in sealed or unvented battery cabinets. Now, a degassing system is very important to help prevent a build-up of gas caused by a fault or by overcharging batteries in an unvented cabinet. The hydrogen gas produced by the batteries is extremely explosive, so it's very important to make sure they are properly vented. Now, before we start, I need to remind you that batteries are live at all times, so please treat them with respect. Make sure that you remove all metal items such as watches, rings and other jewellery. If you have not yet had time to watch the safety precaution video in part 2, then please take a few minutes and do that now. Okay, so we're going to use the SBS 170F battery here to show you how to install the degassing system. The degassing system kit should contain the following: self-adhesive vent manifolds, tubing, L tube connectors and T tube connectors. The first thing to do is to make sure the top of the block is clean and dry. Please follow the maintenance advice given on the instruction sheet. Clean with a damp, soft cloth, but do not use any type of oil, solvent, detergent, petroleum-based solvent or ammonia solution. These materials will cause permanent damage and will invalidate the warranty. Then you are ready to apply the self-adhesive manifolds to each of the batteries. Remove the self-adhesive cover tab and line the manifold up with the lines on the battery and with the vent spigot to the front, like this. Do this for all the batteries. Load the batteries into your cabinet and connect them up. We show you how to do this in part 5 and 6 videos of this series. So check them out and come back when you've got them set up. Okay, so now we have all the batteries installed in the cabinet. Now you'll notice that the cabinet we're using today is the VaultFlex 3-tier outdoor version, and it is already vented. But for the purposes of this video, we will assume it is unvented. The first thing to do is to route a length of clear plastic tubing from a suitable access point in the cabinet to the top right battery and connect to the manifold with the fitting provided. You connect the tube to the manifold like this. Now you'll need to cut lengths of the tube to link each block in turn. Cut front to front, then link block to block. Then link row to row, with the tube finally reaching the exterior of the cabinet. And finally, make sure all your tubes are free with no kinks and that your manifolds are still securely attached. And there you go, your cabinet's ready. I'll see you next time. In summary, remember, batteries are always live at all times. If at any point you are unsure about what you are doing, stop and seek advice. Remove any personal items such as watches, rings or jewellery. Fit the manifolds to the batteries. Install the batteries as shown in part 5 and 6. Route a length of clear pipe through the access point in the cabinet and connect to the top right block. Cut the lengths of tube and link each block in turn, then link row to row. Check all pipe work is free with no kinks and all manifolds are still securely attached. Now then, where's that cup of tea? Hello? Jeff? Hello?